Hello everyone, we are Team Vidamoyarchi. Staking in crypto today is almost entirely speculative. Billions of dollars are locked in tokens, chasing yields that create no real world impact. Also, most staking models only benefit the stakers and the platform, but the actual subjects being staked on get nothing. And in order to bring a revolution in the staking platform, we thought, what if staking wasn't just about speculation, but actually funded real world crisis to create an impact? Hence, we bring to you the first ever impact driven staking platform involving farmers where your crypto doesn't just sit, it actually grows real farms. Only Farmers is powered by Deepin, decentralized physical infrastructure. Here, users can stake on real farms using a custom built Deepin device, which is a low cost sensor hub with which we gather live data from farms, including the soil conditions, temperature, humidity, and a lot more accurate data. This data is then being processed by our AI engine to assess farm health and predict yield performance. Based on this, users can stake on farms they believe in, where they can earn yield as the farm succeeds, while they are also supporting real farmers on the ground. Here is how the expense is being divided so that everyone involved is benefited. 80% of the farmer's yield goes to stakers, which is fairly distributed based on how much they have staked. Then 17% goes to the farmer, ensuring they are incentivized to maintain healthy and high performing crops. We also reserve 2% for a sustainable pool, which acts as a safety net and also as an upgrade fund. And just 1% powers our platform, keeping it running smoothly for everyone. And now let's get into the updated demo. Here is the website of Only Farmers with a sleek and minimalistic front end to not overwhelm the user, but as well give the efficient information as possible. We come to the stake page and we go into start staking. Here you can see various farm data. So the Deepin device collects the farm data, and this farm data is processed into the AI engine, which gives insights and that are tested on chain, which is being fetched onto these cards. And here you can stake on your desired farm based on the insights that you can view. I'll show you an example by staking 5 tokens and you can see the annual yield and how it's been split. But since I have just a few tokens on my testnet, I will test it with 0.1 ETH. And now you can see the transaction that is being confirmed as we stake it. And yeah, the transaction is successful. Here, we can now go and check if our transaction has been updated and is it reflecting here. Now the farm that we had selected is here, and there is also an option where you can withdraw, but you will be penalized by 10%. And this 10% will also get added to the sustainable pool. And then you confirm the withdrawal. And since Arbitrum is layer 2, the transactions are faster, scalable, and also cheaper. And here you can see that the status has changed to withdrawn. And that's essentially how simple it is to use Only Farmers. And here's how we have constructed our Deepin device with PIR, humidity, CO2, and a few other more sensors integrated with the Raspberry Pi. And this data is fed into the AI engine to turn the data into farm insights, which is then being tested on chain. Talking about the future enhancements, we want to enable the Chainlink Oracle and automation for data processing so that it is seamless and smooth. And we also want to reward eco-friendly farming practices with bonus yields or even recognition badges. On a long term, Only Farmers serves to be scalable both vertically and horizontally, which provides more scope in the future. And we view Only Farmers not just as a project, but the future of purposeful staking, where farmers grow, investors earn, and the world wins together. Thank you.